Brief, accurate and important news of today's Thursday. In the previous administration, Ningrahar Governor Ziaul Haq Amir Khil thanked Acting Minister of Interior Khalifa Sirajuddin Haqqani on his Twitter page and said that he always helped in solving problems in other issues. Ministry of Higher Education, the Kunduz provincial government appreciated the young inventive students of Kunduz University who invented a water pump some time ago. Kabul police headquarters say during the days and nights of Eid, a large number of tourists come to Paghman district of Kabul for sightseeing. The security forces provided complete security in Paghman as well as in other areas, and the people performed their prayers and festivals without any fear. Kabul municipality, the construction of streets in Precinct 17th has progressed to 95%. National Statistic and Information Authority says that previous year in Paktia 8,634,000 Afghanis were collected from the distribution of 42,374 electronic and 46,000 and from 321 paper identity cards and handed over to the state's treasurer. The Ministry of Interior during the gathering appreciated the deeds and sacrifices of the security forces in order to strengthen the overall security during the days of Eid. Gardes City Primary Court of Paktia Province sentenced 2 criminals for the crime of theft.